Do you want to create poll on Facebook Messenger? Creating a poll on Facebook Messenger is a simple process. Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can create a poll on iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open Facebook Messenger app on iPhone. Now you need to create a group. Now let's quickly create a group on Messenger. After that, open up the group, tap the plus icon, tap the three-dot line on the left. Now this will give you the poll. Here, set your poll question. You'll see options to add different poll choices. Tap the Add Option button to enter the first choice, and continue adding as many options as needed. You can add up to 10 votes. After setting your poll, tap Create Poll. After that, people will vote in real time. That's it. That's how you can successfully create polls on Facebook Messenger. Participants can continue voting until the poll's end time, if set, or until you manually close the poll by tapping on the Close Poll button in the conversation. Thanks for watching.